what is inside the Supercat ferry. No, ganito yung setup. So passengers are boarding now. Maya saka yung mga vehicles, the huge vehicles are here, located in this center at saka right area, but yung covered na mga portion, priority yung private vehicles. Dito yung nandito yung control area pala, oh. So mas modern, mas mabilis tong Supercat, no? Sa compared with yung Montenegro. This is yung port of Dapitan. Ilang beses na kaming sumasakay ng Roro, even abroad. We're quite familiar with the process. Humahabol tayo, no, compared with other countries, but hopefully we can catch up with yung standards. And this is yung area. You just lock yung sasakyan muna. No? Pakyat ka, you go here na portion. Yan yung mga naglalakad, they are passengers. For Supercat, aside from yung driver, which is me, who is me, one more passenger yung free. Ito yung mga kalaban nila, Starlight Ferries. Imagine kung may bridge, no, connecting yung islands. So cheaper, huh? Ticket. Kiara is here. This is your first experience here or several times?
In a while.
Ito ka. Ticket kami ni Kiars. Hawakan mo muna, kunin ko kataas. Yan, papasok yung pasok yung dito tayo, here akyat tayo kay Jaris na taas kay Jaris. So akyat tayo here. So they have yung 3 classes na economy, open air, they have premium economy, then business class. You just add 50 pesos. So we're taking the business. Okay.